Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this makeup tutorial. This is very beautiful and very simple as well as like extravagant on dusky skin girls as well as fair skin tone girls. And it's also very easy to achieve. It's completely matte and flawless on your skin. Like my hyperpigmentations, my pimples, everything is hidden. So this kind of makeup tutorials is perfect for maroons, browns, whites, and a light colors, wine like that, and it is amazing on your skin. They look very beautiful with makeup tutorial. So before getting into the video, I just want all of you to click that subscribe button and also press that notification bell on so that you will will be notified whenever I post another video. So without wasting further time, let's dive right into the video. So after moisturizing your face, the first step we begin is to apply a primer. So instead of primer, you can use also an aloe vera gel as a beginner. So I'm going to apply aloe vera gel. So I'm using as usual my favorite Ever Youth aloe vera gel to prime my face. This also acts as a mild primer to your face. So wherever I have pores and wherever I tend to get oily and smile lines, I'm going to apply it and massage it. So after applying a primer or an aloe vera gel, it's very important to color correct your face. Now, color correcting, it depends upon your pigmentation or the types of problem that you have on your skin. Now, like I have no red pimples, so I'm not going to use any green color corrector. So rather I have pigmentation, so I'm going to use a red color corrector. So for color correcting my face, I'm using the NYB red color corrector. This is very simple and also it does not provide high coverage. Rather, it gives the amount of coverage that is required for the amount that we pay. So I'm just going to correct my face wherever I have pigmentation. So after you're applying the corrector, just dab it. So after color correcting your face, now I'm going to conceal my face. So either you can use a concealer or you can use foundation that is equal to your or matches that to your skin tone. Okay, so I'm using the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigmentation Foundation. This I'm going to use as a concealer, to conceal the redness. So I'm going to take a blender and just going to blend it. So once you're done applying, the concealer or even the foundation that is exactly to your skin tone, now I'm going to apply a foundation. So for foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. I'm just going to apply like dots all over my face. So after applying foundation to your face, you can apply a concealer that is to highlight your face. So to highlight my face, I love this concealer. This is the Age Rewind concealer. This is a beautiful concealer. So I'm going to use this to highlight my high points of my face. So after doing all of these steps, it's very important, to set. Either you can use a talcum powder or a loose powder if you have oily skin to set your under eyes, your nose and your chin. If you have oily skin. Mine is normal skin. I don't tend to get so much oily, so I'm going to use a compact powder only to set all over my face. So to set my face, that is to use a compact powder, I'm using my all-time favorite Nykaa compact powder. This is in the shade Honey, I think so. So I'm just going to set my face. So after setting your face, I'm going to fill my brows. I'm not going to do a dramatic bold look. Rather, I'm going to, fill all the sparse areas of my brows. So after doing your brows, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. This will add that extra dimension to your face. So for highlighting, as usual, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Beautiful for dusky skin girls. So I'm taking the same highlighter and I'm just going to, take it underneath my eyes also. Now I'm going to use a eyeliner and then I'm going to fill up my eyelashes. So for eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Beautiful for, beginners. Now for mascara, I'm using the Colossal Maybelline mascara in waterproof range. So for lipstick, I'm going to use the Hilera Rora lipstick. Now don't see the condition. This is very like, I've used this all the time. So this is my, go-to lipstick that I always opt for. Like it's kind of a brown and maroon kind of a lipstick. So this condition is very horrible. And it is also very beautiful on dusky skin girls. So now I just want to set my face again. I'm using the same compact powder. I just felt like, I need that extra kind of a setting. So after done your setting, I'm going to use a highlighter, the same Maybelline highlighter, to highlight my highest points of my face. So after, you're finishing your process, now I'm going to set my makeup using this Blue Heaven makeup fixer. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to spray it. So I just tied my hair and my makeup and my overall look is absolutely complete. This is very beautiful on dusky skin as well as fair skin tone girls. It's very easy to achieve also with minimal products and also affordable products as well. And yeah, if you felt this video very helpful, at least that's something you learned from this video, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel and also press that notification bell on. And until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.